Imitate, to copy the behavior of somebody something. James always imitates his father perfectly. The small child imitated his father. Nibble, to eat something by taking small bites. The rat has started to nibble his food. One of the kids tried a nibble of the bread. Drool, to let liquid saliva come out from the mouth. He is drooling from his mouth. You always drool whenever people are eating something. Gulp, to swallow large amounts of food, drink, etc. quickly. In one gulp, he drained a bottle of milk. He finished off his drink with one large gulp. Appetite, a strong desire for something, especially food. He suffered from headaches, insomnia, and loss of appetite. I don't have any appetite. I don't want to eat. Blush, to become red in the face, especially because you are embarrassed or feel guilty. Her blush told of her embarrassment. I always blush when I talk to my crush. Chew, to break up food in your mouth with your teeth before you swallow it. Chew your food well before swallow. This meat's so tough I can hardly chew it. Lick, to move your tongue across something. A dog is always loyal to its owner and licks him. Can I have a lick of your ice cream? Sip, to drink, taking only a very small amount of liquid into your mouth at a time. This tea is very hot, so sip it carefully. I took a little sip of my drink. Gobble, to eat quickly and noisily. Eat slowly and don't gobble. There were dangerous beasts in the river that might gobble you up. Feed, to give food to a person or an animal. The baby can't feed itself yet. I usually feed the neighbor's cat while she's away. Overeat, to eat more than is necessary or healthy. Some children refuse to eat at all and others overeat. You shouldn't overeat yourself before sleeping. Bite, to cut or attack somebody something with your teeth. A mad dog may bite people. Don't bite off more than you can chew. Aroma, a smell, especially a pleasant one. A delicious aroma was coming from the kitchen. The whole house was filled with the aroma of butter chicken. Healthy, showing good health of body or mind. A healthy mind is in a healthy body. A healthy diet creates a body resistant to disease.